Tired of dashboards that look like a data explosion? Let's tame the chaos and unlock powerful insights with the Trellis container in Qlik Sense. First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet where you want to add the Trellis container. We'll start by adding our base visualizations. For this example, I have already created 3 bar charts showing sales by region. Each chart represents a different product category. Now, from the Objects panel on the left, find the Trellis container. Under the Container section, drag and drop it onto your sheet. Resize it to fit your desired layout. Next, drag and drop the charts you prepared earlier into the Trellis container. Qlik Sense will automatically arrange them in a grid layout. You can reorder them by simply dragging and dropping them within the container. Now for the magic. In the Properties panel on the right, you'll find several customization options. You can adjust the number of columns and rows to optimize the layout for your data. Experiment with different arrangements to find what works best. You can also toggle the visibility of the container title and individual chart titles. Customize the appearance further by adjusting margins and padding to fine-tune the visual spacing. Finally, explore the Add Alternative Dimension option to dynamically switch the dimension being used in all charts within the container. This allows for quick comparisons across different segments of your data. And that's it. You've successfully created a Trellis container in Qlik Sense. Now you can easily compare multiple related visualizations in a structured and insightful way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips and tricks.